When I was in college, soup was often a meal, and I had about 10 different ways to kick up instant noodles. This is a riff on one of them, although I would say this is probably a bit healthier than the versions I made back then. I call this one Thai chicken noodle soup.
Light, fresh, and still filling, this delicious soup comes down to simple, great quality ingredients. Begin by heating sesame oil over medium heat in a large stock pot. Add the onions and cook until softened. Then add a sprinkle of salt and chopped garlic. Stir and continue cooking for another minute or two. Once the garlic becomes deliciously fragrant, then add in the chicken stock, 100% full-fat coconut milk, and freshly squeezed lime juice. Give it a good stir and let it come to a boil over high heat. I use these gluten-free rice ramen noodles, but you can use any type of noodles you like. Ramen noodles cook very quickly, so once the broth boils, the noodles go in and in less than a minute they begin to soften. I use tongs to gently separate the noodles. Then I add in the chicken and carrots. Give it another good stir to combine the ingredients well and label it into soup bowls. That's it! I like to top the soup with fresh cilantro, scallions, and a wedge of lime to squeeze on top.
Now that's how to kick up chicken noodle soup.
You can find this recipe for Thai chicken noodle soup and many more recipes at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.